Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of ePrime. I am Daedrian. Now, over 700 high school students today got the opportunity to watch the popular Black Panther film for free. 500 students were selected from the Denham Town, Haile Selassie and Tivoli Gardens high schools in Kingston. The surprise viewing of the film was organized by C & Associates.
Joined forces about 2 weeks ago from scratch, and we raised funds for 700 high school children across Kingston and Montego Bay to come and see the movie. But larger than that is our collective ambition for this project, where we actually have some dialogue around the positive themes coming out of the story and bring that back into the classroom so they can understand how they can do character analysis of the main characters as English literature, and so the characters are now meaningful to them.
In partnership with We Will Rise Together, a crowdfunding movement led by reggae artist Chronix and Diffuse ODG, hitmaker Denisha Prendergast and social activity Chaka Bars.
I started to become more exposed to the knowledge of economics, and you start to learn more about the history of society, and then you realize that Africa is like the portal that humanity needs to go through. Even after watching this one, you still know that there is a lot of great characters to be portrayed within the African community.
The challenge that I leave up to you today becomes something for which your environment and your education have not prepared you for.
You can learn something from every single youth in there, and if we give them the right tools, then they will be the leaders of the world, they will be the best scientists, they will be the best innovators and creators and artists and all these things. We don't just want the youth them to be entertainment.
Following the viewing of the record-breaking film, a panel discussion was held, along with a question and answer session with the students to discuss the impact of the film and what it meant to them.
It was a good movie, and I realized that, as Gary said, a man without a history is like a tree without roots.
And I think more movies like that should be made, so it empowers young kids like us to grow up and know that we can be something.
Yes, it's an awesome initiative, because this is where our children, or students rather, will get an opportunity to be in an atmosphere where most of them would have never been. It is also a good step for them as well to know what it is like, to really know how to empower each other.
The We Will Rise Together crowdfunding initiative is a movement which aims to equip schools with proper facilities, modern tools, and to complement traditional education with other opportunities for alternative learning skills training. American singer Miley Cyrus was hit with a 300 million copy infringement lawsuit on Tuesday from Jamaican songwriter Michael May, who goes by the name Flogan. According to May, Miley Cyrus's hit We Can't Stop closely resembles a song he recorded 25 years ago. In an online article, May said about 50% of Cyrus's 2013 hit came from his 1988 song We Run Things. He cited the song lines, "We run things, things no run we," which Cyrus sings, "We run things, things don't run we." May wants Cyrus and RCA Records to seize all sales and performances of We Can't Stop. That's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Daedrian. Thank you for watching.